I'm going to start a video to show you that we just finished a fence out of pallets. It is super janky looking and very rednecky, but if anybody knows me, that's the way I like to do things. But thing is that it was free other than the deck screws. Now, just for being pallets, that is amazing. Use these for posts. That's not going anywhere. When it went all the way around, I wanted it to go all the way to here and down, but I did not have enough pallets. So I will be getting more soon, and then it'll be bigger. This is the outside. I did such a great job. It didn't take very long either. Okay, so we ran out of pallets using this. I put some hardware cloth on it because it was really open. And since I'm still going to get more pallets, I don't want to put the hinges and the latches and stuff on it right now. I'm gonna wait, but it's not too hard. Just move it over a little bit, and the ducks will stay in with this. Got boxes and weird boxes trying to cover the holes right now, so I really don't have the money for anything else at this moment. Eventually I'm going to work extra hours this week to buy enough chicken wire to double up on the outside to help with any predators. These are my ducks. They are super happy to be out of the playhouse where the bantams are now. The 5-6 week old bantams. The khaki Campbell, dark brown one. That is Moana. I'm Moana. The light brown one here on the left. That's Mrs. Quackers. Braylon named her. Aaliyah named Mrs. Quackers. The brown one that's laying down still, that is Ruby. And she is a silver apple yard. And then we have Boss. She is a Peking. And she is adorable. Aren't you, Boss? Aren't you adorable? Yes, show us your wing. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that wing. So beautiful. Yeah. But so I got boxes set up and whatnot, some whatever. The baby chicks are in the kids' playhouse now. I pulled up the top so that there will be ventilation. And then here they are in their new temporary coop until their main one gets here. Say hi, chickie babies. That one's Pikachu. There's all sorts. And they got their food. They have grass. And they have some bedding. My silkies are in there. Hi. Oh, I know. Hi. Hi, Beauty. Hi, Beauty. Hi, Freya. Hi, Ravi. Not all of them have names yet. We don't know who's all roosters and who are hens yet either. There's a few we're sure are for sure hens, but not about the roosters. But it seems that they're happy. They have to stay in here for 2 days so that they can learn that this is their safe place and that this is the place that they will come to if they feel threatened or anything when they're out free ranging in the yard. And then when it's nighttime, to come in and go to sleep and go night-night. Who's the cutie baby? Yeah. I'm gonna miss playing with you guys, but you guys being in here for 2 days will train you that this is your spot that you need to be. Are you guys eating? Yeah. It's super easy with these windows being able to feed and water them. So I can still say hi to them. Hi, Pikachu. You showing me your butt? Good boy. So far, when the ducks were in there for about 2 weeks, nothing ever tried to get them. So I'm hoping this is going to be secure enough. That's why I had the ducks in there first. See if it would be. I will be coming out and checking every few hours during the night, though, on them just to make sure. We do live in farmland area and everything, so there are predators, but we haven't had any issues. There is also going to be a net that goes up on top. It's another thing that will happen after I work more than 16 hours a day, 7 days a week, and then I can get everything where I want it. And buying that home for my daughter and grandkids. So all of this will be fenced off with the pallet fence. Even if I had a ton of money, I wouldn't put up any other type of fence. This was super easy and repurposed wood that usually is pallets are usually just thrown away, and this was the easiest thing I think I've ever done in my entire life. I've got to find some way to block off the lattice here, because the bantams, once they are able to come out after 2 days, they will be able to get through there, because I had to go in there and get one today when I was moving them from their little big netting place that they had out here into the coop. But all in all, I'm super happy. Even though it's not done all the way yet, this is going to go, the fence, it's going to go all the way up to where my car is right there. It's going to go all the way where I'm walking, all the way up to where the car is. And then it's going to extend all the way over here. And then I'll have some sort of gate here in this area. And then on the other side, I'm going to put a pallet there, have it go down to the tree, take a little turn at the tree and then go all the way down to the end of the blue one down there. And then it'll be all done. And I won't have to worry about mowing ever again. Or weed eating like I have to do. This is great. Super happy. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. Good night. Look at that sunset.